Hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. A couple days ago, maybe a week ago, I did my hair and I only recorded a part of the process. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to style it. So this is one of the simple style that I would normally do if I'm just up and trying to get ready to go on the road, or I'm going to the supermarket, going somewhere. This is just an easy style to just do. As you guys can see, it's growing and flourishing. So if you guys want me to show you guys a product that I use in my hair, you can comment down below and I will show you guys a product that I use in my hair. Yeah, so this was a finished product, and this is how I simply would style it if I'm just going on the road just to get something done. I'll just put the headband on, and yeah, so stay tuned for more update on my lock journey.